Well, good morning. Hello. Are you joining me for breakfast? There you go. Enjoy. Now we've had 10 mils of rain overnight. Come with me. And we'll just look at the way that the rain all those colours. Everywhere I walk is just colour. Even the vegetable garden is looking superb. And this has to be one of my favourite parts at this time of year because of the colour. After the rain, the colours are so bright, aren't they? This is where I placed another seat underneath this maple tree. Should be lovely. Still plenty of roses out as well. Indeed, God was reconciling the world to himself in Christ, not counting men's sins against them.